cloud environment, managing who can access what is crucial. And that's exactly where identity and access management comes in. AWS IAM is a secure and powerful service that enables you to control access to AWS resources. Whether you work in solo, managing a development team, or administering an enterprise-scale cloud setup, IAM ensures that the right people, and only the right people, have access to what they need. Perhaps think of IAM as your security checkpoint. With it, you can create users, assign roles, and define permissions, allowing you to fine-tune access control across your cloud infrastructure. You'll also be able to enforce multi-factor authentication, rotate credentials, and trace user activity, all critical for maintaining both compliance and security. This section will introduce you to the foundational concepts: users, groups, roles, policies, and permissions. You'll learn how these components work together to create a robust identity system that's flexible and easy to scale. We'll also walk through practical examples like granting read-only access to S3 or administrator permissions to trusted team members. By the end of this lesson, you'll have a clear understanding of how IAM functions, why it's essential, and how to use it to safeguard your AWS environment. You'll be equipped to build with confidence, knowing that your cloud setup is both secure and well-structured.